The human body is moving as long as the brain and nervous system is functioning. And the brain and nervous system is connected with Vata. And we have central nervous system, CNS. In modern medicine, they have central nervous system. In the central nervous system, there is again subdivision, sensory nerves and motor nerves. Now you are sitting in a chair and listening the class. A mosquito is coming and started to bite you. He started to drink your blood. So the sensory nerve gives a message to the brain within a fraction of a second. Hey, here a mosquito is sitting. He is drilling on your body, drinking your blood very fastly. The message goes to the brain through the sensory nerves, and the brain asks a command, gives a command through the motor nerves, and as a result, you go and give a beat to the mosquito. So somebody looking far, he will not be able to come to understand the hand raised, beat on a mosquito, how it happens, but it is all very subtle nerve current. It is called neurotransmission, which is happening very fast. So the fastness is one another property of Vata, or movement is another factor of Vata. So we are again understanding that Vata means nothing but Vayu, or ether and air. And if Vata is not there, it is like in the car. The main computer is not functioning in the modern car. The engine will not get fuel, electricity, different things. Whatever strong the engine, whatever strong the gearbox, whatever beauty the car has, but the electrical messages which is coming from the computer of the main computer of the vehicle is not going to start or move. Or in another way we can say, if the subtle energy named wind, Vata, is not there, all the movement will be stopped. So if the Vata is not there, all the movement, we can say, is going to be ceased. So in another way we can say, in the anatomy and physiology of Siddha and Ayurveda science, we will say the most important part of your body is your head. And the head gets its importance because of the nervous system. And the nervous system doesn't work. Sometimes you know that the left side of your brain, we have left and right part in the brain. If the left side of your brain doesn't work, the right side of your body will be dead. Even if you wish to raise your right hand, even if you want to push your right leg, which is looking very strong, very beautiful, but unless the subtle commands coming from the brain through the nervous, even though your hand is looking strong, leg is looking strong, nothing will happen. So in Ayurveda and Siddha, we say that means those who are interested in the health, the most important part is your brain and its connected endocrine network. So your brain endocrine network is connected with your vata, and if that stop, you are going to struck. So in Siddha medicine we say Kattetan Kadavulada. The wind is nothing but God. We call a beautiful word to God that is known as Shiva. That means vibrant. That means auspicious. That means full of energy. That means a God who is ready to dance. Whereas Shava, that means dead. It is going to be like a stone. So, Kattet and Kadavulada means once the Vada is there, it is equal to God. And when Vada is there, the movement will happen, and we can call it is Shiva. So the whole world is moving if the wind is there, air is there. If the vibrant air is not there, like people who go to moon, we will find they are always plugged with oxygen. And if in the absence of air, within few minutes, 3-4 minutes, you will be dead. So in Siddha, Ayurveda, we give that means a good water, good air, good earth is a must for good health. So how to balance the air, or how to balance the vata, is a important thing in Indian natural medicinal system like Siddha and Ayurveda. And we are going to the more and more importance of Vada in the coming days. Once we started to understand the Vada in a good way, we can say half of our journey of the Nadi study is successfully completed. We just took one aspect of Vata today, the subtlety, but dryness, hardness, tightness. So, like that, many qualities Vata has, but that we will be learning in the coming class. So, as a conclusion, we can say Vada is the leader, Vada is the king, and without Vada, nothing will move, including the world. The whole world will be dead if Vata air is not there. So tomorrow also we will learn more and more about the philosophical part of Vata. With that, we will conclude our today's class.